Alright, so we're going to be installing these premium high illumination LED brake lights with flashing. So this is what the stock lights look like. I mean, they're pretty bright, but I think these are going to be brighter. So let's see how it looks when we apply the brake. So let's open this up and see what these things look like. I mean, they're the same bulb style. There we go. We'll get these bad boys installed. Honest, I think they are a lot brighter. The function that I really like is the flashing. I really like how it does that, but I'm happy. Very easy installation and much brighter tail light now.